At Cirata, we're really excited about the automotive sector as one of our key verticals. And we're very fortunate to have some of the most prestigious automotive companies in the world as customers. Companies like BMW, General Motors, Ford. Some of these amazing companies are really now looking to take advantage and provide insights of the data. Now, why is data so important? We all know this, I guess, in some respects. There's so many sensors now in the modern day car. And just to think, and it struck me that someone told me every 3 minutes, a modern car with its sensors is actually sending data to the cloud, equivalent to the whole of the data in a blockbuster movie on a DVD. That is the explosion of data that we're seeing now. What does that mean, and what opportunities does that create for the automotive companies? It allows them to do incredible things around telemetrics data, preventative maintenance, and offer incredibly personalized services to their drivers. Just as an example, they could form a new partnership with a tire manufacturer, and obviously now through the preventative maintenance, that they'll know through the sensors that your tires are getting down 6 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 4, and they can actually predict based on your driver patterns exactly when your tires become illegal. So way in advance of that, they can offer you a personalized bespoke service to come around to your place of work or your home and actually change your tires so you don't even have to worry about it. It's almost like driving without a care in the world and without any worries, where everything is looked after in advance through predictive analytics, better insights, preventative maintenance, and ultimately to drive incredibly personalized services to every one of their millions of customers around the world. And that's what Cirata enabled.